Many of you are really loving vibe coding with Agent Studio inside of GoHighLevel. And of course, because we are vibe coding, we are creating websites with code. How can we actually edit that code manually if we want to make some of our own updates? Well, today I'll show you exactly how. So inside of our vibe coding editor, you can see we have this very basic landing page. We can click this code icon right up here in the top. And when we click this, we'll be able to see all of our different files for this app or website. You can see the vibe coder will automatically sort them into folders like public, SRC, UI folders, different pages, and things like that. And we can edit the code on the right-hand side. So if we want to change something, like for an example, some of the text here, like this title whenever someone submits a form, we can change this right here in the code instead of sending it all through the vibe coder in order to use credits and AI to make changes. So if we want to change this title from success to we got your info, we can just change it right here. And when we do that, we can go ahead and save this, and then this will immediately update on the left-hand side inside of the chat window. Once it goes through, you'll see the code has been edited. You can see right here, you can click the details to see exactly what was edited specifically right here. And if this ever has an error, like let's say for an example, we went and edited this and we left out a comma incorrectly and we went ahead and saved it, then you'll see it will actually say the build was unsuccessful, and we can see why. We can see exactly what the error was. And then if we want it to fix our mistake, then we can click try to fix, and then this will go through the code base and actually fix it itself. And you can see right here, it has found the error and it's working on fixing it right now. Now, something else that's really cool we can do is we can actually find things by doing a Command F in order to find different pieces of information inside of our code. So let's say we want to change our colors on the website itself. And let's say we want to replace all of the colors in one hex code like this with all of the colors in another hex code like this. So we can do that. Then we can click find and replace. We can even sort through all the code to find the different spots where this is included inside of the code. And we can replace all instances with just one button click inside of the code editor. And of course, in addition to finding actual elements inside of our code, we can search for specific files over here. So if we want to find a public file or an index file, we can find these different files for CSS, HTML, etc. in order to find specific parts of our website. So if you've been wanting to make some edits to your Vibe Code app and you don't want to go through the chat box and you want to make those edits yourself using code inside of the code editor, then feel free to check this out. And of course, if you have any questions, drop a comment on this video or check out the help doc. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.